So hi everyone, I am a geodetic engineering student at USTP, and in this video I will teach you on how to create a land use and land cover map in QGIS. So um, first is you need to download a GeoT file in Esri Sentinel-2 Land Cover Explorer. So how can we do that? So first is you need to search Esri Sentinel-2, and then here as you can see it is the Sentinel to Land Cover Explorer. So you can see here the download GeoTIFF, and then there is an image that appears. So we should wait. So here, my chosen area is in here in the Philippines. Here. So this is my chosen area, and then for you to determine how to download. So can you see these boxes? These boxes are the references um, on where to download, or inside these boxes are the the areas that you need to download, or these are the geotiffs that you need to download. So as for me, which is here, this is my chosen area. I should download this box. So I can click this box. I can click this box. It's still loading. I can click here because this is where my chosen area is, and click the latest version. So after that, your GOT file will download. But in my case, I have my chosen area is in between this box and also this box. So in that case, or if you have the same case for me, you need to download these two boxes so that you can download the two GOT file. So going to QGIS, you need to click this new project, and then you can now paste those GeoTIFF that you downloaded. And here, as you can see, it is the GeoTIFF you downloaded. So after that, you can go to web and then quick map services, OSM, and then OSM standard. So as you can see, a map appeared. So after that, or if you don't have any OSM standard in your web, you can go to plugins and then manage and install plugins. And then still loading. And then after that, you can search OSM. And then this three, which is the OSM info, quick map services, quick OSM, you can install these three plugins so that you can see, or your plugins will be installed here in your web. So after you plug in or you paste these layers, you can merge these two layers. So in doing that, you need to go to raster and then miscellaneous and then build virtual raster. So here you can see input layers. So you need to click these three dots and then check these two GeoTIFF file and then run them. And then if it is already complete, then you can close this. And as you can see, there is a new layer, which is the virtual layer. So you can delete this two GeoTIFF file because it is now merged. And then after that, you can warp this layer. You can so in doing the warp, you need an information. You need to know the what's coordinate reference system this layer is. So you need to double click this and then go to information, and then here you can see the coordinate reference system, or which is the CRS. So here, as you can see, this is the CRS of the layer. So you can click OK, and then now you can go to raster, projections, and then warp or reproject. So here it's already, your input layer is the virtual layer, and then next is this CRS, which is the source CRS or the CRS of your layer. And then the target CRS is where your chosen area is. So as for my case, my chosen area is at the zone 4 of the Philippines, and it and the CRS of the Philippines is PRS 92. So I can click this, and then I can already run this. So now you are already presented in this new layer after you run the virtual layer. So you can go to this coordinate, which is here, and then you search the coordinate of your chosen area. So as per me, my chosen area is, as what I've said earlier, my chosen area is at the zone 4 of the Philippines, which is this. So I can now apply this, apply, and then okay. So after that, I can already delete this virtual, remove layer, and then I can double click this to see if my information is okay. So here the coordinate reference system of my reprojected is this. So after wrapping, we can now make a shapefile. So how can we make a shapefile without using a the OSM? Because as for me, my area is not recorded at the OSM, or yeah, it is not recorded at the OSM. So I should make a shapefile. So I have a PH file here to make a shape file. I can just add this here. So I will just give you this this PH file. So double click this file to reduce the opacity, so we can still see, or the map is still visible even though there is new file. Okay, so in here is my chosen area. So in making, or in I should in selecting this um, area, I can just click this this select area features, and then click here, and then click the toggle editing, and then create a new scratch layer, so we can rename it as my chosen area. And then this is a polygon. The type of the geometry is a polygon. So we can now click OK, and then we can uncheck this file, then click paste, so we can paste the copied features. So did I click the copy? Wait, copy, and then here, okay, and then click the toggle editing, and then save. So here is, as you can see, this is the shapefile of my chosen area. So now we can just click the raster, and then click raster by mask layer, and then you can input your layer here, which is the reprojected, and then the mask layer is this, and then run. So it's already done, and then close. So this is your final shapefile. So you can just double click it here. No, you can double click it here, yes, which is the temporary file of the earlier, and then click simple fill, and then outline simple line, and then you can just adjust this, and then apply. Okay, so as you can see, this is your shapefile. And then after that, just double click the clip mask, and then go to symbology. So here you don't need this transparent color anymore. just delete this, and then from here you can delete this 12 and below, which is, I think it's 255. You can just delete from 12 and then until 255. So delete that, and then here you can now see these colors. So after that, you can click the classify to classify the colors of your shapefile. So now we can go to Sentinel, and then as you can see, I already searched the Aurora Zamboanga del Sur, which is my chosen area. And here, as you can see, blue is the water, and then this yellow thing is the crabs. So I can just expand this so that we can classify the colors. And then water is blue. So you can just edit the label of your colors. So you can input here water. You can input, and then we don't have any background, but we have clouds and rangelands. So um, this is the clouds, and this is the rangelands. So after that, you can